Best Chinese indoor plants for wealth, prosperity, and good energy. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. Most of these Chinese indoor plants don't need much care, look fabulous, and bring a touch of positivity to the home. These Chinese indoor plants offer not just an aesthetic appeal, but also stress reducers. Number 1. Chinese Lucky Bamboo. Easy to grow and low maintenance, the Lucky Bamboo is a popular houseplant due to its reputation for bringing luck to the household. Sculptural Lucky Bamboo plants have eye-catching shapes, swirls, or braided stalks, and are frequently spotted in offices and residences for the purpose of good Feng Shui. Though the plant looks like bamboo, but it is specifically a type of Dracena. This plant is toxic to pets. Number 2. Chinese Money Plant. The Pilea peperomioides is a true gem. It is playful, very pleasing to the eye, and easy to care for. Pilea plants grows like crazy, and then grows little babies, so you can share it with friends. Besides being an aesthetically pleasing plant, it is also associated with good luck and prosperity, especially in Feng Shui practices. Their easy care and pleasing appearance add positive energy to indoor spaces. Number 3. Chinese Fan Palm. Also called fountain palm due to the way their fronds arch up and then spill downward like water from a fountain. Each frond can grow 40 to 60 inches long. These slow-growing palms have a bushy appearance when they are young. This palm can attract wealth and prosperity, enhancing your career prospects and financial stability. Number 4. Dragon Boat Flower. This flower is also a kind of very auspicious flower. It can bring good luck, health to people. Actually, this is Ixora flower. Chinese Ixora flower ball reveals that it is actually an aggregate of many blossoms. While Chinese Ixora is getting very rare, and it's now a protected species. Number 5. Dieffenbachia. Commonly known as dumb cane or leopard lily, are popular indoor plants because of their large variegated leaves that can tolerate low sunlight. Although prefers bright light, they are not beautiful indoor plants but takes on volatile organic compounds, indoor toxins from air, and also considered to be lucky for home, brings positive energy, and attracts good luck. Number 6. Chinese Banyan. Ficus microcarpa, also known as Chinese banyan or ginseng ficus, is a popular indoor plant. This Indian laurel fig is a tropical tree, renowned for its lush foliage and distinctive growth pattern, commonly found in China, Malaysia, India, and Australia. This ornamental plant is toxic to pets and humans. Number 7. Weeping Fig. Ficus benjamina, commonly known as weeping fig, is a very easy tree to maintain as an indoor plant, as it has good tolerance for the limited light conditions. This tree is a beautiful addition to your indoor garden. However, according to many folklores, it can bring financial misfortune, although it is effective when it comes to purifying the indoor air. Number 8. Lipstick Flower Plant. Lipstick plant is a tropical epiphyte that is a popular and striking house plant for its bright red tubular flowers. Place the plant in bright and direct light where temperature stays between 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The lipstick plant enjoys regular misting early in the morning. A slow-release liquid fertilizer during the growing season will encourage leaf growth and blooming. This plant is easy to propagate, so you can share its cuttings with friends. Number 9. Lady Palm. Lady Palm is easy to grow indoor and outdoor plant that tolerate low light conditions and has large hand-shaped leaves with long, glossy dark green leaflets. The foliage forms a dense canopy above clumps of sturdy stems covered with dark brown fibers that give a woven appearance. It not only enhances the aesthetics, but also helps to purify the air. Lady palm is considered lucky in Feng Shui and non-toxic to pets. Number 10. Peace lily. Spathiphyllum is a flowering plant native to tropical regions of the Americas and Southeastern Asia. This is a popular house plant and does not need large amount of light or water to survive. The flowers are produced in a spadix, surrounded by a long white spathe. Although it is called a lily, but peace lily is not a true lily. The lilies are highly toxic or poisonous to cats and dogs, but peace lily is mildly toxic to humans and animals only when ingested. Because it contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause skin irritation and a burning sensation in the mouth and throat, results difficulty in swallowing. A peace lily is often considered a symbol of good fortune and prosperity. It is believed that this plant has a special power that attracts good luck. The peace lily has been shown to improve air quality by up to 60%. It is approved by NASA as one of the best air purifying plant. There are many other Chinese indoor plants like braided money tree or Pachira aquatica, pink anthuriums, Meva kumquat tree, and Crassula jade plant. Each of these plants plays a significant role in the Chinese New Year celebrations, not just as for decorations, but as bearers of deep cultural meanings and wishes for the year ahead. Incorporating these Chinese indoor plants is a beautiful way to honor tradition and invite positive energy into one's home and life. All these indoor plants are good air purifying plants, and except weeping fig, all these plants are feng shui good luck plants. People buy and grow these plants in their home for wealth, prosperity, good health, and for positive energy. If this video is useful to you, remember to like it, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Take good care of your green friends and make sure they stay happy. God bless you, and thanks for your time.